Top 10 highest paying jobs in 2023. Want to find out the highest paying careers and their average salary? If you're looking to earn more money, or you're just getting started in the working world, then this article's for you. We've listed some of the highest paying careers/jobs in the world to help you identify which careers pay the most. You might be shocked at some of them, as quite a lot of professions aren't always associated with high earning potential. 10. Internist. Average salary, $198,370. Sometimes in life, it can be difficult to determine what's causing pain in our body, especially if it's not immediately obvious on the outside. Internists are physicians that provide a diagnosis and non-surgical treatment plans for internal injuries or diseases. They do not perform any surgeries at all and focus on acute illnesses like diabetes and high blood pressure and Alzheimer's. Many internists choose to specialize in one specific internal organ system, like the digestive system, and focus 100% of their energy on that. 9. CEO. Average salary, $200,140. To be employed as a Chief Operating Officer, CEO, by a company, you'll need to have gained a lot of experience in the managerial side of running a business and leadership qualities. You're responsible for leading and directing the company toward achieving its desired goals, as well as determining strategies and adhering to company and government policies, rules, and regulations. It often takes many years of relevant work experience and a proven track record of success before an individual can be considered ready to become a CEO. 8. General Practitioner, GP. Average salary, $208,560. The first point of contact for anyone that's suffering from any kind of pain or illness is usually a general practitioner, GP. Your GP will advise, diagnose, and treat any health-related issues you have, or recommend for you to see a particular specialist depending on your symptoms. To become a general practitioner, you'll need to go through approximately 7 to 10 years of training and education. It's certainly worth it if you like to help people and be the first point of call for someone when they become ill. 7. Psychiatrist. Average salary, $216,090. The next highest paying career in the world is that of a psychiatrist. Psychiatrists diagnose and treat disorders of the mind. They're paid to listen to patients' issues and determine the root cause of their problems. It's obviously a lot more detailed and systematic than that, but that is the long and short of it. If this sounds of interest to you, then you'll need to complete your medical training and then specialize in psychiatry. But as you can see, it could be well worth your time and effort, as the average salary is approximately $216,090. 6. Orthodontist. Average salary, $228,500. Number 6 is the third profession in the dental field on our list, and the highest paid of them all. Orthodontists are responsible for examining, diagnosing, and fixing any dental abnormalities relating to the position of the jaw and teeth. They straighten the structure of the teeth, fix crooked smiles, and adjust bite positions using braces and retainers. To achieve orthodontist status, you'll need to first complete a dental degree, and then enroll in and complete a postgraduate orthodontist program. As we've seen with other professions in dentistry, the payoff is well worth your time if you can qualify. 5. Gynecologist. Average salary, $235,240. In 5th place, we have a physician who specializes in medical care related to pregnancy and childbirth, as well as diagnosing, treating, and preventing diseases of women. Gynecologist help maintains the woman's reproductive systems, and their tasks can vary greatly from one day to the next. For example, one day they might have to deliver a baby, and the next, they could be performing laser surgery to remove HPV cells, or just carrying out regular checks. 4. Oral and maxillofacial surgeon. Average salary, $243,500. Oral and maxillofacial surgeons are different from normal dentists, as they perform surgical procedures on the face, mouth, and jaw that mainly focus on hard and soft tissues. In order to have a career in this field, you'll need to study for an additional 4 years after completing a dentistry degree. But with an average salary of close to $250,000, those extra 4 years could be well worth your time. Also, it's a career that also allows you to help other people whilst being financially rewarded, which can't be said for all the career paths on our list. 3. Surgeon. Average salary, $251,000. Surgeons are one of the highest paid careers in the world to pursue. It's also very easy to justify their average annual salary, as they're actually saving lives and improving people's overall well-being. To become a surgeon, depending on the specialism you choose, requires several years of extra study after becoming a qualified doctor. You'll need to pick an area of interest to specialize in, and then do the required work to be able to practice as a professional surgeon. The more experience you have, and the rarer your specialist area of expertise is, the more money you're able to make. You'll see evidence of this from position 1 on the list. 2. Anesthesiologist. Average salary, $265,000. Anesthesiologists are physicians that are responsible for administering anesthetics prior to, during, or after surgery. They also have a number of other responsibilities, including dealing with emergency situations, giving advice on pain management, and carrying out assessments in critical care units. If becoming an anesthesiologist sounds like something you'd like to do as a career, then, after becoming a doctor, you'll need to complete a further 4-year anesthesiology residency program. It's possible that you'll also need to sit a further examination from the American Board of Anesthesiology, ABA. Once all of the above is said and done, you can look to earn somewhere in the region of $265,000 a year with experience. 1. Neurosurgeon. Average salary, $381,500. The highest paying career in the world is a neurosurgeon. This is a highly trained surgeon that has chosen to specialize in, diagnose, and surgically treat disorders of the central and peripheral nervous system. Neurosurgery is one of the most demanding medical professions and requires an extensive amount of training and education. For example, in order to earn the big bucks, you'll need to complete the normal 8 years of doctoral training, a 1-year internship in general surgery, and roughly 5 to 7 years in a neurosurgery program. Then, if you want to go one step further, you can complete a fellowship to specialize in one particular area. On top of all that, you'll need to find the time to stay up to date with all the latest advances in neuroscience and attend regular meetings, seminars, and conferences. But what you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.